Today on Smoky Mountain Taco, we're going to be transferring our Billie Bars and Small Molle Panels from a 3rd generation Tacoma to a 4th generation Tacoma, which happens to be a 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter in underground. Let's do this. You can see how this is going to look installed on a Trailhunter. We've got Molle panels. It comes out just a little bit. I've got a GoPro mount sitting right here. You can see the Billie Bars where I have them. Now, one thing you could do, these are completely adjustable. You can unmount these, move your one of the Billie Bars side here, and they will go across if you wanted to. I decided to do it this way just to give me a little bit more flexibility. But one thing you are going to have to watch out for is putting the Billie Bars all the way back here, especially if you have a DC output or an air compressor like I do. If you put this, you can see this will cover this top portion here, which makes it a little hard to get to. Maybe it's a thing for somebody to start a company with to fix that problem right there. But over here on this side, for the inverter, it doesn't have that much of a problem. But you can see how this looks. You've got plenty of room there. With the Trailhunter, unfortunately, no one makes a bed cover that's compatible with that chase rack. That is another business opportunity for someone to get started there, if they can figure that out. But anyway, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is take these brackets off your 3rd gen, just slide them down the bed rail, tighten them up, and then do the 2nd round. Just slide them down. And of course, if you got Molle panels, you have to take the Molle panel off. But you can leave the brackets for the Molle panels on, and you can just mount this right up to where you want it to be. And you can see what it looks like on a Trailhunter here. Now, it does cover this light back up here just a little bit, but so far I haven't seen an issue with it because the light does shine through these holes, and that front one is completely cleared up. And if you don't like where that's at, the good thing with Billie Bars is you can move it down if you want. Now, one thing I am planning on doing is adding traction board mounts from Billie Bars over here on this side for some max traction boards, and over here some Rotopax mounts for a gas can. That's my current plans. I might reverse it up. We'll just have to see how it goes. Now, I did confirm from Billie Bars that you can transfer their Billie Bars over to the 4th generation Tacoma from a 3rd generation. And you can see here, they weren't lying. This is on a Trailhunter. I mean, like I said, the process is pretty easy. It's just a matter of taking the brackets off the old one and slide them down the bed rails on the 4th gen, and then putting your Billie Bars in. And one thing you will have to do is, because we use anti-seize on these screws, is you have to clean them up a little bit as you move them over, but that's okay. So what do you think about the Billie Bars with the Small Molle panels on a Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter? I think it looks like a beast. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Yeah, this looks awesome. I can't wait to get my Max traction boards and Rotopax mounts on this thing. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And be sure to like and share this video, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. And we will see you next time.